Hello friends, myself Gurkant Mandile, and today we gathered here to conduct GD, and our GD topic is job versus business. So I am in the favor of the business because in the business we get the more profit, and people admire us that he is doing business. He is the biggest businessman. That's why I like business so much.
Good morning, friends. Today we have gathered here for conducting a GD on the topic of job versus business. And I am in the favor of business because the definition of business is you can go anywhere in the world, but the system of the business will work for you and it will earn money for you. Whereas in the job, you have to constantly grind their day in and day out. If you go out of the job, then you don't get your payment.
Good morning, friends. Myself Pratik, and we are gathered here to conduct GD of topic job versus business. And I am favoring job because in job we have freedom to work in the field of our interest.
असं मूव करून हा भाग त्यांचा भाग घ्यायचा, कधी कधी इकडला भाग घ्यायचा. ठीक आहे, ऑडियन्स म्हणून. ठीक आहे. आणि
In job we have freedom to work in the field of our interest, and we need not any investment at start. And business involve risk at every step.
Good morning, friend. My name is Payal. Today we have conduct for GD, and the topic is GD job versus business. I am favoring of business.
Good morning, friends. My name is Pallavi. Today we are gathered here GD. Today's GD topic is job versus business. I am favoring the business because according to me, business give lots of money, and also it is one type of freedom. One type of freedom means in job they are the servant any boss, but in business they are not a servant, that is a own kingdom.
So hello friends, myself Sankalp, and today we are gathered here for doing the GD, and today's GD topic is job versus business, and I am in the favor of business. And the definition of the business is an organization or enterprising the entity engage in commercial and industrial or professional activities, and business play a huge role in the culture and society.
Good morning, friends. I am Vinay Sakarkar. Today we are here for GD. Our group discussion topic is job versus business. I am in the favor of business because in jobs there had to do more hard works for promotions and making more money. But in the business, while doing hard work, you will get more money than jobs.
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, I am Jagdish. I would like to discuss with you on topic today, whatever topic we got from group GTO, group testing officer, job versus business. I think I prefer to business more than job because I think so whatever kind of people sat before us, they don't belong to business. They always think service job is better than business. But after all, whatever job we attend, it is under businessman's company, because company owner is businessman and businessman creates job, and we are only do the job. We are their servant, they are our boss. Whatever he guide us, tell us, we follow it. They give command, we follow commands. So I think business is better because business is giving us feeling of boss, giving us feeling of leader. So I prefer business. It's okay, don't issue. You can tell advantage of business, you can tell drawbacks of business, you can tell advantage of service, and you can tell drawbacks of service. It's a GD, and it's very good thing most of students are preferring business because whatever category we belongs to as a Baradian, we just go for service. At least it is a nice chance for all of us. We have a mentality of business. It is good thing, even though service has its own profit. You can say you don't have any investment in service. Service is good thing. Second thing, after your qualification, without any investment, you direct get job and you can earn secure money. If you have government job, you have pension also. Right now pension thing lapsed. Service has so many profit and so many drawbacks. Every coin has two sides. Everything has pro and cons. So it's your personal choice whatever topic you want to select. You have selected business side, it's also good thing. Whatever you want to speak, you speak. It's a discussion, it's not a debate.
Good morning friends, I am Sarthak and I am in the favor of business because in business we have freedom to do anything, but in job we have to listen only the instruction of only boss, what boss said and we have to do. And in business we do not have to study much more, but for the job we have to study and study.
Yeah.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. And in business, there is lots of innovation that happens. In job, you just have to do what you are told to do. But in business, you can use your creativity and your freedom of your mind. You can express yourself freely. If there were not innovations, then there would not be any businesses today. All the new businesses that have started up, they were because somebody had an idea that was out of the reach of the normal people who were jobbing their way up to their death. But somebody had an idea that was creative, that was unique, and because that idea could solve people's problem, he expressed that idea and he converted into a business. And because of that, many employees are getting their jobs only because that person started his own business. So the jobs exist because there is a business. If there was no business, then there would be no jobs.
Yeah, I agree. In the business, in the job, the people do work. A person is working the 30 years, 20 years, 40 years, but in the company his name is not there. And leave the company, in that city his name is not there, but a businessman is there. He's so rich and he joined the company. He became the owner of the company. Since 2 years, all the employee know him, admire him, and all the citizens admire him that he is so rich person in the city. Invest at his company, you will get so profit. And I have a question for you that in the business, in the job, have you know a person who is famous in the world? Do you know a person?
We can't say numbers of people like this. Yes, you speak.
Yeah, but in the business, the numbers of people are there who are famous in the whole world. Some people are there, they are famous only in the countries, in the job. But some people are there who are owner of some factories, some companies. They are the famous in the world.
Yes, I agree with your point. Business has tremendous name and fame, scope and all these things. Because as you see, what is the profit of doing business? If you want to get good job, good service, first of all, you have to be qualified. You have to spend 4 years, 5 years in qualification. But there is no such restriction available in business. You can begin your business in any age. So many people, you go on internet, you find they began their business in the age of 12. When they were 12-year-old, 14-year-old, they began their business, and in the age of 25, they were millionaire in the world. They are millionaire in the world. In the age of 25, 45, 25, 27. And if you think about the service job, for getting qualification of proper job, you spend 27, 28 years of your life only in qualification, only in education. And so far as India is concerned, whatever qualification has been available in India, that is for becoming good servant, not good owner. If you think about Marwadi brothers, they send their son in public school, good school, but after 10th, after 12th, they make BG to their son in business. And they become a owner, and we are getting qualified. We spend numbers of years of our life in education, and later on we get a small job. Even we spend lot of money, we invest lot of money in education, but whatever job we get, that will be salary only 10,000, 20,000 rupees. Problem arises with us that right from childhood, our parents made our mentality for service. Service means servant means नौकर. Servant से बना word service. Service means one kind of servant who is serving the people, serving the company, serving the boss, working day and night. He burns midnight oil in the company, but who is getting profit? Profit is getting only owner. And whatever good thing happen, credit goes to owner, and whatever bad thing happen, credit goes to servant. So why should we be servant? Why can't we be owner? Why can't we make our mentality be a owner? Later on I will speak my further point. Who would like to speak?
Yes, sir, I agree with you. And some peoples are there. Yes, some Marathi peoples are there who only think about the they only make the negative mentality among the business. That when I will do the business, I will get if I will get lost, how will I handle my family? And they don't think that if I invest 1 crore and if I open a factory and if I get the profit of 1 crore or 15 crores or 10 crore, then it will be it will so good for me. They don't think as like that the positive mentality. They think they make the negative mentality since childhood, and their father also say, don't open business. When if you will get lost, what you will do? Your family will come on the road. So the child also thought that my aim is to open the business. I should try one time. But first time his mentality is positive, but his parents make his mentality. His parents said time to time that don't open the business. That's why the children of the variety peoples are not ready to open the business of their.
Yes, sir, I agree with you. And also in business, there can be explosive growth. But in job, you are just getting that limited salary. In business, if your product does well in the market, then you get explosive growth. So if somebody is buying your product for 1,000 and then he likes the product so much that he refers to all of his friends, and 10 of his friends comes to buy on another day, then you will get 10,000 profit just from that one person. But in job, no matter how hard you work, you will get just your monthly salary, and to even get a promotion and a raise, you have to constantly work there for numbers of years. But if you put that same effort into the business, then you don't have to do that much. You have to work hard, but that the outcome you get is so quick, so you get to get the feedback so quickly, so you can then adjust to the surroundings. So you can adjust to the surroundings by knowing whether my product and the services that I am offering to the world, are they good enough or not. So a business has to survive because he wants profit, but he wants profit on the basis of the profit of people. So it's a win-win. If a business just only thinks about his growth, then it's not a business, it's, we can call a scam. But if the profit of people is being done, then the business is also getting profit. But as compared to the job is only for the employee, and whatever the hard work he puts in it, he does not get the profit, the boss gets the profit.
Give him the chance.
I agree with you, sir, that we need qualification for job, we need degrees. But in business, we need more than that. We need other than qualification, and we need extra studies. And that studies is more than educational studies. Like if we want to start business, then we need planning. If you want to start business of any product, then you have to think about your opponents, your quality, and your with same quality you have to lower the price of that product. Means you have great planning, means more studies than educational studies. And in job we have fixed and timely salary that we can manage our daily needs easily.
Yes, sir, I agree with you, but whatever you just spoke, I agree with you. But in business, if there is not a why as to why you are creating the product, then whatever your values are and whatever your product are, that is not going to be a huge success in the market. So when Steve Jobs invented Apple, the purpose of his business was to challenge the status quo. So because of that, many people bought it. The people who resonated with that idea to challenging the status quo, they bought into it and they bought their products. So if you look at another companies of the same kind, then they are also doing the same service. They are also giving the low price. But on the other hand, Apple is so much expensive than the normal product, but people are still buying that because the purpose of Apple is clearly defined. So Apple is not just an mobile or computer company. So when they transitioned from the mobile and computer companies to MP3 players, to TVs and to many other things, people still bought that because the image of them was to challenging the status quo. But when another companies tried to do the same thing and they gave low price even than Apple, then they failed miserably at them.
Yeah, I agree with. Yeah, I agree with you. But in the business, we got an opportunity and we got a facility to put our points that we are the owner of the company and we want to make. We created an idea, we created our product, and we don't want to keep it hit the boss because the boss of the company we are. That's why the business is good than the job. But the employee is there. He created an idea, and his idea is good than the other people's. And he put hit the boss. And when the idea gets successful, then boss said that it was my idea, not at his employee. And this employee said that my idea, and this employee can't speak against the boss because boss will expel him from company. So that is the profit of the business, that we can put our idea and we can snatch another's idea.
Very good. You spoke very nicely. Even though I would like to put some point, advantage and disadvantage. If you think about the business, your first advantage is what? You are a boss of your business. You can create idea. You can implement idea. You can spread idea. You can earn more profit than expectation if you are a boss. Whatever talent you have, whatever imagination you have, whatever idea you have, whatever concept you have, you can follow among the society. That is the first profit of businessman. Advantage of businessman: if you do service job, anyone can fire you, anyone can expel you. Fire means expel. But if you are owner of company, no one can fire you. Second thing, if take an example, my father was mill worker. He was nourishing his family by doing his small job. But after his job, what happened? My family got complete zero. But in case my father would be businessman, after his retirement, that business shifted to me. Means if you open any business, this business is giving profit to all generation. You can get benefit generation to generation. Take an example. Somebody's father are teacher, mother is also teacher. But what happen after their service? They will have problem of money because after retirement their son, daughter will be zero. But if your father and mother are businessman, businesswoman, after their retirement, after their age, that business can be shifted to you, and you can be a beneficial person for it. Understood? That is the profit of business. Second thing, I told you first profit, freedom to take decision. Businessman can take any kind of decision. Businessman can take leave anytime. Serviceman can't take leave anytime. Serviceman, okay. But another profit of serviceman is what? After service, he has leisure time. Businessman can think whole day about the business. Sometime he might think in night about the business. Serviceman can think only for 8 hours about his service. Later on he is getting free time. But your mind does not develop. Your mind right after some day. Your creativity stop. Your imagination stop. You know, if I have creativity, but I can't implement it because I am a servant. No one listens servant. Third thing, businessman can achieve his own vision. Can servant achieve his own vision? Do your servant has any vision? Businessman, sky has limit, but businessman does not have any limit. He can achieve any kind of vision what he decided. So I would like to appeal to all the Baradian people. Right from childhood, why are you thinking about the service and job? Why are you taking qualification for the education service? What will you get from the service? If you are a businessman, you can nourish thousands of family. You will feel, because of me, numbers of family are getting their food and shelter. That kind of feeling will arise automatically in your mind if you are a real businessman, honest businessman. I know it. Even we discuss here right now about business. But how many Baradian are businessmen? Can you tell me? Only 2%, 3% Baradian are businessmen. 85% population belongs to Baradian people. But only 2 or 3%, it may be 1% people are busy in business. And 98% people are busy in service. And day night they think about the good job, good service. You can take any kind of example. If you go in any factory, if you go to watch any factory, and you are a very talented person in your college, you think I will get good post in this college, in this company. I will be topmost officer in this company. But the person who belongs to Marwadi brothers, his son goes to watch company. He thinks I will open my another company just like this. That is a thinking difference within Baradian son and Marwadi brothers son. Why this thinking difference arises? Because what kind of culture you got from your childhood? Which culture you got? पैसे क्या पेड़ पे उगते हैं? अंथरून पांघरून पाय पसरावे. जो का घाले जन्मासी तो ना मारे उपासी. देव भलं करते. Okay, and so many rituals, so many traditions you follow. You most of the time spend in it. You don't have time to think about big idea, big businesses, factories, companies, machines. You don't have time to discuss on various good issue, powerful issue. And so that you carried frog mentality. And this mentality create a big impact in your life. And they are, they grow and we grow, they become a businessman and we become a servant. So this difference, when will eradicate? It will eradicate then and then when our parents and we think right from childhood, I want to become a great and good businessman and I would like to nourish thousands of families. Service was secured before 25 years. 2002 pension policy got collapsed. There is no pension policy. Now it is completely closed. Okay. Government jobs are not available. Which job is very profitable for you? Go through MPSC, go through UPSC, go through railway, and in banking, and in PO sector. These jobs are secured. But right now, railway are going in private sector. Banking are day by day going in private sector. Only two factors remain: UPSC, MPSC. Okay, very limited government job are available. Very limited. And government job have also so many restrictions. Pension plan are not available right now. Why are you thinking about job is so secure? After all, whatever job you are performing under the guidance of businessman. Businessman open factory, open company, then you got a job. Understood? You are a commerce student, so you will do job in finance company. Okay? And who are owner of finance company? he may be less qualified than you. But problem is arising where? Right from childhood, your father taught you, माझा मुलगा ऑफिसर बनेल, my son will be officer, my daughter will be officer, and same mentality rooted your life. You thought as a officer, as a servant, and the person who are less qualified than you, who is owner of you, he think about the company owner. Right from childhood, his mind got conditioning, subconscious mind that fed, I want to become a only businessman. So he is a businessman and you are servant, even though you are more qualified than him. You see, you go in grocery shop, our servant who belongs to Baradi, MA Marathi, go to tie the pudi of the grocery, and the person who is less qualified than you, matric fail or 12th fail, he is on counter. This is going to happen because of what? Because of our mentality which we got from childhood, and it went in our subconscious mind. So why don't you change your philosophy? Why don't you change your thinking? Anybody?
Yes, sir, I agree with you.
Yes, sir, I am agree with you, but I have to put one point here. If business will get in loss, then the businessman make a new thing in the market and they will get more profit than the loss. But if the job will get in loss, they fearly leave the job.
Correct.
Yeah.
I am agree with you, sir. In our surrounding, there are two types of business: एक small business and second one is a large business. If you have a lakh of or crore rupees money, then you should then you can start a very little business in 1,000 rupees. If you start a small business like a vegetable shop, like a betel leaf shop, and etc. There is a less profit, but there is your own business. If you have lots of money, you can open big business, big factories, and there is so many workers in your hand, and you are a boss of that company, and you have so many you have gained so many profit there, and there is so many opportunity to increase your personality and your ideas.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am, I agree with you because,
sir.
as you
Put
said
up on-
before some time, that in business you require more skill and more knowledge and more work than the job. But if you want to get a job, so you have to do much work than business, because first of all you have to complete your schooling of till 10th standard, then you have to go for 2 years into junior college, then you have to do a degree of 3 or 4 years, assuming that you don't fail in the exam, which most people do. So you have to do all of this to get a job, and in that job there are many people who are trying to bring you down because they want to impress the employer and their bosses. So, and also to get a job, you have to go through various processes like passing the exams, then passing the interview. And let's say if somebody who is less talented than you, but he can speak fluent English and good public speaking skills, so he will beat you in that interview. So you are not going to get that job. And now we already know that in India, but not only in India but in the whole world, the rate of unemployment has increased dramatically because of COVID. So you have already less chances of getting a job. But in business there is no competition. You can open a shop and you don't require huge capital like you said. You don't require 2 crore, 1 crore, 10 lakh, 50 lakh. You can open a business with very little money if your idea is very good, and if you don't have money, then you can go to investors to fund that money. And also, as you said sometime before, sir, that you require skills, but the most important skills in business are 3: copywriting, closing, and speaking. So even if you learn those things, and even if you go into a business, and if that business fails, but as you have collected and learned those skills, then if you open another business, then those 3 skills will still be of use to you. But if you go into a job and you say, let's say you get fired from that job, then you will have to repeat that whole process again for getting another job. And in job, if you put out new ideas and new innovation things, then you are not appreciated, because they want to they don't want to lower their bar and give you more status. So in business you have to be open minded, and in job you just have to think linearly, that whatever you are told you have to do just that.
Yeah. Yeah, so sometime before you told that our Baradi peoples don't have the vision. At that point, I agree with you, because they don't have vision. That's why they fail in the business. They don't see that what will happen after 5 years or 10 years. They don't invest money like that. They invest their money like that. What will happen now? This is the way of the thinking of the Baradi people and Marathi people. And after that, you told about the nourishment of the people. So at that point, at this time I also agree with you, because when we born in our family, the photos of the gods are there. That some gods are there. There are 15 or 20 gods photo is there. In our home, the library, or some 1,000, 2,000, or 50, or might be 50 or 10 books may not be there, but there is the biggest worshipping of the God in the home. That's why, and everyone be the devotee of the God, be a servant, give some money to God. They don't teach to you that be a businessman. They don't tie the photo of the businessman in their home. That's why our Varadi peoples are poor, and the main reason of the not opening the business of the Varadi people is that the festivals that their father said that open this fest. Their father said said that celebrate this festival, celebrate that festival, celebrate the Ganesh Chaturthi, celebrate celebrate the Eid. It is not related to you. The festival is not related to you. But in a year, the 15 or 20 festivals are there. He celebrated that. And a person who want to open the business, his all money is spent in that. Because at the 98% times, the parents are there in the home. They are the devotee of the God. That's why our Baradi people can't become a good businessman because of their parents.
Yes, sir, I am agree with you. Sometime before you speak the thinking power, the servant will think only one day will come, there will be getting the promotion of me from that company. But the businessman think of that company that I will be owner of such as this 5 companies.
You may have question. Ka sir, I don't have investment. I don't have money to invest in business. How can I open my business? My friend, more than money, skill is needed. How is skill needed? I tell you an example. One day we 4 friends went in one city. We sat in one shop, cycle repairing shop. It was a poor shop. Beside that shop, there was a big shop. So many customers were attending that shop. To whom we were discussing, poor shop. He said, "Kya karta sahab? They have a decoration, they have a money, so they can invest their money in shop. So customer mostly come there. I don't have money. I can't decorate my shop. How will customer come in my shop?" He said us, "I have a money problem. I can't invest my money, so I can't grow my business." He said. And then we said him, "How many money you needed to decorate your shop?" "Sir, at least if I get 50,000 rupees and I will purchase equipment, accessories, definitely my shop will run like him." Now here is a problem to you. Why can't you take a loan from bank? Why can't you call for money to the relatives? They will give you. 50,000 is not a big issue. "Okay sir, my relative can give me, my friend can give you, bank can give me. How will I return them?" You said, "Yeah, you have a skill, you can repair bicycle very nicely, You earn the money and then return it. So my friend, he said, no sir, if even I decorate my shop, but customer do not come, what will I do? And if you have talent, you have skill, why don't customer come? If you are a perfect mechanical, why don't customer come? Customer will definitely come. Actually, he had not a problem of money, he had a problem of skill. He had no perfect skill, he had no perfect communication skill, he had no convincing skill. So customer do not attend his shop. Am I right? Actually, more than investment, more than finance, you need skill also. And Baradian people do not have skill. And some Baradian have skill, but he does not have dare to open their own business. He does not have dare to open their own small shop. Second problem is what? Bride's father always expect. Bride's father always think, I want such a son-in-law who will be on job. They don't think, I want such a son-in-law who will be businessman. Because after a particular stage, when you establish your own business and you go to marry, then you go to watch bride for you, then most of the parents think, I don't want businessman. We don't want businessman. We want such a son-in-law who would be on job, service. That wrong mentality also create a big impact on the Baradian people's lifestyle. The parents of bride should think, we want son-in-law who is businessman, who establishes his own business, who has a caliber, who has a creative idea, who has a talent, who has a skill. Then you see, society will definitely change. So we have to change the thinking level. Who would like to speak? Put your point.
I agree with you. And as sometime before, somebody said that to open a business, it is a much riskier than job. In job, you are safe, you get your monthly salary, you don't have to do anything else. But since your childhood, you are just forced that idea and you have accepted into your mind. So when you are till 5 or 10 years old, you don't have a mind of your own. Whatever the beliefs you have now, they are stored into your subconscious mind. And if a belief comes before you, and if somebody is really certain of that belief, and many people are supporting that belief, then you accept that belief without any questioning, because you don't have the experience of the world and you are dependent upon your father and mother to feed you. So you have that belief that if they stop feeding you, because if you disagreed with them, then they will stop feeding you, and if they abandon you, then you will die. So whatever they tell you, you have to accept that. So what they tell you from their experience is, don't get risky, just get into school, get good grades and get a good job that will pay you enough so that you can survive. So that is the whole mentality of today's society, and this mentality has been conditioned upon the ages since the start of the earth. But to go into the business life, you have to challenge this thinking, and you have to take so much risk, and you have to take so much passion. You have to be passionate about an idea, you have to be risky, you have to challenge this mentality, and when you do that, you feel really amazing and fulfillment in your life as opposed to the business.
One more thing I would like to mention here, that if you think about job, you are waiting for the promotion and benefit. But if you think about business, anytime you can get success, anytime you can achieve your profit. If you think about the job, you are working for someone's vision. If you think about business, you are working for your own vision. But if you have job oriented person, in your family you see, your father can only do job, and remaining or for all the family depends on his earning, his payment, and he is also waiting for payment for 1 month, and after 1 month he will get payment, and then entire family get some shelter and clothes and food. Okay, so only one pillar work in your home and remaining pillar are nothing. If one pillar collapse, what will happen with your family? Father is only one pillar, and whole building does not stand only on one pillar. It should stand on numbers of pillars. But in your family, in our family, Baraden family, what happened? Only one pillar work and remaining pillar are not available. If by mistake, by disease, natural death, natural calamities, father die or suffer from any illness, that pillar collapse, what will happen with entire family? Then poverty again come, and again luck come, again fate come. Suddenly my father died, we entered in poverty, and wrong thing happened with us. This kind of philosophy you again stand. Is it right or wrong? Why don't you stand all the pillar of your family? Why are you depending only one person's payment, one person's earning? Why can't wife start her own business? Why can't son start his small business? Why can't daughter think about the business? Think about the self-success, self-achievement. See, daughter think, it's a duty of my father will marry me. It's a duty of my father will qualify me. Only just I am a statue. Whatever he say, I will listen. And father also restricted her. After 7, don't come back to the home. Before 7 you come. Don't go there, you are a girl. Behave like a girl, you are a girl. And think about son. My son is very obedient. He always listen me. Whatever I say, he listen me. Why should son be obedient? He should stand on his own foot. He should take his own decision. He thinks just like a leader. So this kind of thinking attitude should be changed if you want to become a businessman in your life. If you want to become a leader, businessman is nothing but second kind of leader. All leaders are businessmen. You go to see the politician and leader, later on they are businessmen. Every politician has their own business. Why are they opening their own business? Because they are a leader, and leader are a businessman, and businessmen are leader. So if you want to become a businessman, definitely you will become a leader, because businessmen handle all kind of people. Means he is a leader. But in our Baraden people, leader are not there, because they are not businessmen. And only they depends on one pillar, and that pillar are naukar, servant, service oriented. If that pillar collapse, your entire family collapse, and poverty again come. So all the Baradians should change their mentality right now. Time came, and you have a lot of resources. Bank can give you loan. You can learn skill from anybody. You can start so many business on net. So many people started their business on. They made their own apps. They made their own different kind of numbers of things are there online. So many people began their business online right now. Why can't you open your business online? And second one thing, Baradi people have mostly found that खेकड़ा mentality. खेकड़ा mentality means एक दूसरे को पीछे खींचने की mentality. Also are creating big impact. Anybody began their business? You are ready to watch. मोठा businessman बनायला चालला होता. आता तर पूरा डुबला ना. They laugh on you. It is also wrong mentality of Baradian people. So some people want to go, so we have to conclude so soon.
So thank you guys for coming here today, and after overall our discussion, I conclude that in a nutshell, it is dependent on you what you should do. If somebody has told you to do business, then you should not do that, because it is because every person is different. If some person has a linear thinking, then he will not succeed in the business no matter how hard he tries. But if somebody's mind is open and free, and he can serve people well, and he has empathy for people, and he can feel their problems, then he has good chances of succeeding in business. But in job, you have to obey others, and in business, you are the one who is giving decisions, and the people are obeying you.
Okay, conclusion only short. 2 lines, 3 lines. You take for conclusion.
Yes, now I am concluding the GD, and I am saying that the business is much more better than the job.
Correct. Yes.
My conclusion is from this GD is business get more money than job.
You get very small chance to learn and improve, but in business you have the opportunities to learn or improve constantly. So business is good than job.
After all discussion, I want to conclude that the business is the activity which makes one's living or making a money by producing or buying and selling products such as goods and services, and any of activity or enterprising enter into the.
From this discussion, I concluded that business is better than job, but jobbers are dependent on businessmen. and also businessmen also depend on their employees.
Correct. My conclusion remained. After overall GD, I came to know who has a talent, caliber, empathy, sympathy about the public, and who want to do something for the society, for the welfare of society. They should be leader, they should be businessman. Serviceman can't change system. Serviceman is nothing but the servant of system, part of system. If you want to change system, if you want to change India, if you want to change your family, your relative, you should be leader, you should be businessman. You should not be serviceman, because serviceman, after all, servant of any particular company or any particular person. He has a boss, and who works under the boss, that person can't change system. Who is a part of system, they can't change system. Who create his own system, they can change everything. So I always prefer businessman, leader is better than serviceman.